so we're having our geography lesson. This is the 9th week. So I will start first of all by reading the class register. So are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
So if you are name, kindly say present. Yes. Wendy Margaret.
Present.
Brian Kyoko.
Present.
Bundi Karani.
Present.
Kachanja Eric.
Present.
And Kachanja, you missed last lesson.
I told you about it.
Okay, so kindly you will have to see me after the class. Okay, so Ruben Joanna.
Present.
Yes. Evans Kachanja.
Present.
Yes. So let's take our book and we'll have to start our lesson. So, class, first of all, let's recap what we did last lesson. So, first of all, before introducing this lesson, so we learned about rainfall, and during our class, we were able also to explain about rainfall. So, can someone remind me what is rainfall? Yes, Kyoko?
Just a trial, sir.
Yes.
I think rainfall
Yes.
is as a result of precipitation.
Yes.
When the cold air
Yes.
condenses
Yes.
and it falls down as water, as rainwater.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, that was good. So this week we'll have to introduce a new concept, but measuring down on rainfall. So we are going to types of rainfall, and the one we'll have to cover this lesson, it will be the relief rainfall. So kindly let us write. So class, before starting our class today, there are some objectives which I will have to read for you, so that by the end of the class we'll be able to understand what is relief rainfall, yes, and to get a clear perspective on relief rainfall. So I will read them as I still write here on the board, so kindly make sure that you write them. Yes, so by the end of the lesson, you should be able to, number one, define relief rainfall. Class, is my handwriting clear?
Yes.
Yes.
So, and explain the process. So, our objective number 1, define the leaf rainfall and explain the process which occur. So that will be So let's go to objective number 2. So objective number 2, describe and differentiate the terms first one will be leeward, windward, and condensation. So our second objective will be to describe and differentiate the terms leeward, windward, and condensation. Is that clear, class?
Yes.
Ruben, is that clear?
Yes.
Yes. So let's move to our third objective of the class. Illustrate the process of. Okay, so it will be you illustrate the process of relief using a diagram. And then our last objective for the class is analyze and discuss the effects of relief rainfall. Okay, two brackets, positive and negative. I hope class you have that in mind, that you have written that. So, to start our class today, I have a question. So, have you experienced in a mountain, there's one place that receives higher rainfall, where the other side is arid? Especially, example in Mount Kenya, where we find there's these parts like Nyeri and parts like around Kiambu, where they receive very high rainfall, and then there's parts also like Nanyuki, where the land seems dry. So class, what's happening? Who would like to illustrate that for us? Ruben, yes, give it a try.
Let's say it will vary according to the weather conditions.
Kindly repeat and loudly for the class here.
They will vary from the climate of the area.
Yes, that's a good try. Yes, Maggie?
I guess it varies due to weed.
Yes.
And weed causes that process of rainfall,
Yes.
where some side where rainfall,
Yes.
there is presence of moist air,
Yes.
and the other side where there is no rainfall,
Yes.
I guess there is the air there is dry, it's not moist.
Yes. Class, give Maggie a clap. Yes, that was good try, and also it was perfect. So it will help us more even to explain what is relief rainfall. So keywords are used. First there's air, wind, then there's moisture, and then the third key term was dry air. Okay, so let's write this. The explanation for relief rainfall. So relief rainfall, it occurs yes. So, class, what is relief rainfall? So, kindly let's read here. Kachanga,
Yes.
from there by is the board clear first of all?
Yes, the board is very clear.
So, read for us this statement.
So, relief rainfall says that it occurs when moist air is forced to rise over a mountain, leading to condensation and precipitation.
Yes. So, as somebody first of all explained to us what is relief rainfall. So, it occurs when moist air, these are key terms, as she told us here, moist air is forced to rise over a mountain. Is that clear?
Yes.
Ruben, do you understand?
Yes.
So, it's forced to rise over a mountain, leading to condensation and precipitation. So that is clear, class. So with me here, I have a video on relief rainfall that will help us to elaborate more what is relief rainfall. Kindly, Kyoko, if you come and help me set up the projector so that I can show the class.
Did you know that your internet connection can make you money? It's possible with Honeygate. Honeygate is the leading app that pays its users for a common occurrence in certain geographic
So class, let's look here.
that may seem complex, but I'll break it down into some easy to follow steps. Step 1 is warm, moist air rising. Relief rainfall occurs when warm, moist air is forced to rise over a mountain or hill. This usually happens when prevailing winds bring air towards a mountain range. Step 2 is then cooling and condensing. As the air rises, it cools. The higher it goes, the cooler the air becomes. This cooling causes the water vapor in the air to condense into tiny water droplets, forming clouds. Step 3 is then cloud formation. The process of condensation releases latent heat, which When the clouds can no longer hold the condensed water, precipitation occurs. This can be in the form of rain, snow, or sleet, depending on the temperature. The windward side of the mountain, where the air rises, receives the most precipitation. Step 5 is in the rain shadow effect. Once the air has passed over the mountain, it descends on the leeward side. As it descends, it warms up and becomes drier. This area receives much less precipitation and is known as the rain shadow area. Next time you experience rainfall in a mountainous area, remember the incredible atmospheric processes that contribute to this phenomenon.
Yes, so class started. So, as you have all seen the video, I will ask you each one of you what time have you had? Yes, Alex? What time have you had from relief rainfall? Yes, as the video has explained to us how relief. Yes, Alex?
Leeward side.
Yes, good. Ruben?
Mountain.
Yes, Cassandra?
We have precipitation.
Yes, Maggie?
Condensation.
Yes, Kyoko?
Rain shadow.
Yes. So, we'll have to move on. With me, I have a diagram here, which will help us to explain relief rainfall and also prepare us for the next terms that they are coming. Terms like the leeward side, the windward side, and yes, well, we'll be able also to understand why in the leeward side there is drying effect. So, Maggie, kindly if you come and help me set up this chart on the board. Yes. So class, is the chart clear, especially from there behind?
Yes.
Yes. So as we say, relief rainfall, it occurs when moist air is forced to rise over a mountain, leading to condensation and precipitation. So moist air. So this may be our water bodies or water source we have named in sea. So due to sun, the water vaporizes, and then together with the air it rises up the mountain, and then when it reaches here above, it forms clouds, which these clouds condense and form rainfall. So after forming rainfall, the dry air moves to the leeward side, where it causes the drying effect on the leeward side. So with that, so class, we'll have to write something to explain what is windward side and the leeward side, and also condensation. So you may be looking at the diagram, try and relate with it. So take out your books also, we'll write this. Let's start first with the windward. Yes, who is talking there at the back? Yes, Alex, kindly, what? Okay. Yes, so focus here. Yes, Asante, let's write with our pens and not our mouth. So focus on the board. Kindly not, let's not talk here. If you talk again, you will have to be kicked out of the class. Yes, so yeah, two definitions. Yes, so someone to read for us the meaning of wind water. Yes, Maggie, I see your hand up.
Side of the mountain that faces the oncoming wind. As moisture is forced to rise up the side, it cools, condenses, and forms clouds, often resulting in precipitation.
Yes, the next one. Yes, Kyoko, I see your hand up.
Condensation.
Yes.
It is the process by which water vapor in the air cools and changes into liquid water.
Yes, as he has read to us, so Windward is this side of the mountain, as you can see in the diagram, and Leeward side is this side of the mountain. So Windward is the one that receives rainfall, and that's its pattern, and yes, but the warm dry air in the Leeward side is the dry part of the mountain. So like referencing Mount Kenya, is that class? Referencing Mount Kenya, this is like the near part where you see they are very fertile soils, where they are planting tea, yes, practicing all those farming methods that require a lot of rainfall. But let's say this is the Nanyuki side where there is semi-arid climate over there due to the happening of the relief rainfall. So those sites around Mount Kenya, they are experienced by relief rainfall, and so that's what happens around there. So class, let's move to our next session of the class, where we'll be discussing the effects of relief rainfall. So. So class, pay attention here. Before first we move to effects of relief rainfall. Is there anyone with a question maybe has not understand about relief rainfall, maybe about the windward or the condensation on the leeward side? So anyone with any question or maybe suggestion to make? Yes, so feel free. Yes, Maggie?
Positive effect
Yes.
on the windward side.
Yes.
I guess those people that are on that side practice agriculture
Yes.
since there is rainfall.
Yes. Okay, that's good. But first of all, before we move to effects of rainfall, I I was asking if is anyone who had a question maybe on relief rainfall, or maybe the wind side, or maybe a condensation, or maybe the process which occurs through here. So anyone maybe who would have a question? Yes, I see your hand.
I have a question.
Yes.
About that process.
Yes.
I was not able to understand that.
Yes. So kindly, where did you have an issue?
Yeah.
Yes, you can come here at the front and show the class.
I was asking
Yes.
where this air
Yes.
goes. It rises there.
Yes. So, yes, Alex, did you understand?
Yes.
Yes, come and kindly elaborate for him so that to give him the understanding. Yes. So he was asking, where does this the air go to? The warm atmosphere from the sea, where does it go to?
So,
Yes. Yes, concentrate.
Yes.
when the air rises,
Yes.
there's warm moist air, so when they reach a certain point, they condense, which causes precipitation.
Yes.
Some warm dry wind passes through to the other side, which is very dry and does not have a lot of moisture. That's basically what that is.
Yes, give Alex a clap, guys. Yes, that was good one. As he has explained, the air which has moisture, it forms the clouds, which then produces rainfall, then passes to the other side, causing a drying effect. So, let's move to the effects of relief rainfall, both positive and negative. So, let's start. Okay, I'm open to hear the suggestion from your class, maybe positive effects of relief rainfall. Yes, Maggie, remember you had one, so give us effects of relief rainfall.
Okay, positive effect
Yes,
in the windward side
yes,
due to excess rainfall.
Yes.
I guess those people around that side practices agriculture.
yes, that was a good try. We're gonna show your hand up. Oh, your hand was not up. Yes, okay. So let me write for you some of the positive effects, and then we'll go and read more on them, and then for our next class we'll start by explaining them. So on positive effects, so number one is agriculture. Number two, there's water resource. Number three, there's biodiversity. Number four, there's hydropower. Generation. Number five is events. Desertification. So, and on negative, so on negative I will give you only two, so the other you will have to go and research. Is it class?
Okay.
Yes. So one is flooding. Number two, yes. Landslides. So as we are almost to finish the class, I have a diagram with me here. So class will have to come and label it to show that you have understood on relief rainfall. So everyone will have to come to the front and label the diagram. So Maggie, kindly come and help me set up the diagram. Maggie?
Yes.
Before going back, first label the first part of in our diagram of the leaf. Any part you can remember? Yes, that's good. Okay, the next one, Gachanja.
Yes.
Come and label any part of the diagram that you can remember.
Very fast.
Yes. Yes. Ruben. Use this pen, use this pen. Yes, Alex, you're next. Yes, good. And finally, Kyoko. Yes, yes, yes. So that's good, that's good, that's good. As you all can see, you have labeled all the parts correctly, so I can understand that you have got the understanding on the chart and you are able to label all of them. So with that said, and that's all done, we'll have to summarize the class so that we can end our class. So first of all, to live rainfall is the occurrence when moisture is forced to rise over a mountain, leading to condensation and precipitation. So there's warm moisture that rises from near, reaches up to the top of the mountain, forms clouds, condenses into rainfall. Then dry air is passed to the leeward side, which causes a dry effect on the other side. So windward side, here we have our windward side, and then here we have our leeward side. Condensation occurs here where it results in rainfall. And then we have the effects of relief rainfall. There's positive and negative. So some of them will say there was agriculture, can practice agriculture here. There's water resources, there's water around here for usage. There's biodiversity, growth of trees and forests, like in the relief rainfall around Mount Kenya, yes. And the power generation, like we have heard of the 7 Forks, there's power generation from the water from the relief rainfall. Then prevents desertification. Around Mount Kenya on the living land side, there is no desertification on that side. On the negative side, there is flooding. Yes, there is flooding. People, the floods affect them negatively. Then there is landslides. Landslides is where the part of the mountain is carried away by the gravity because of blue soil. So, class will have to go and research on the others. Then, okay, for your assignment. For your assignment, number 1, this is the work that we have to do. So kindly write it. Draw a showing Okay, so that will be your assignment. So the class prefect, Eric,
Yes.
so come and take this chart. You will have to pin them on the wall, so you'll be looking at them other pipes. So Kashaja, come. So help me. Yes. So you'll be in charge. You see they have been posted on the wall. Okay. So with that, we have come into our end of our class. So, tomorrow let's meet for that lesson. So with that, have a nice day. Is it, class?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Mwalimu, excuse,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, you have a question?
I brought my book yesterday.
Yes.
Gachanja was to pick it,
Yes.
but he said that you were not around during the evening time.
Okay, Eric. Okay, during the break time, you'll have to see me in my office. So we'll have to check on his book, is it?
Yes.
Yes. So prepare for your next class and make sure also you complete that assignment, is it?
Yes.
Yes. So have a nice day.
Okay.
Yes.